Good morning! We are back for another travel vlog. Back here in Bohol. My previous travel vlog, which is right here, is about this hotel. Go watch it. This is a great hotel right in front of Lubang River. So if you want vegan food, shabby or chic environment and peaceful environment like ballet inspired huts, go check this out. It is the Fox and Firefly resort or cottages, I think. So go check that out. For today, we are going to the Bilar man-made forest, the bamboo hanging bridge, and the tarsier. And if cash up at a time, we might go to the Firefly this evening. So I hope you'll join me. I am with 3 senior citizens, so if you are planning to go to Bohol and you have senior citizens, this is a good vlog for you to watch kung ano ang pwedeng gawin ng mga senior citizens. And may kasama akong dalawang first timers, so ang pinupuntahan namin is like tourist spots na famous. Yesterday, we went to the Chocolate Hills and the Now Adventure Park and the Sika Tuna, reflection of the world. It is here. Go watch that out. It is beautiful. It is a must if it is your first time here in Bohol. Pero I am hungry, so let's go! We are here in the Lubog Tourism Complex. It is ridiculously hot. The sun is scorching hot. Magpa-park ka dun muna, and then you have to go to the Lubog Tourism Complex, which is this one. That one. Magandang building. Over that side is the river. Malapit lang siya dun sa Lubog Bridge. You surely cannot miss it, especially if it's at night, because it's all lighted up. Sarap ng aircon. So thankfully, aircon yung Lubog Tourism Complex nila. There's a long counter over here that you have to pay the prices, and ito yung price nila. So ito yung menu nila.
Mami, may
850 per pack. We have hipon, fish, lechon kawali,
lang.
and ito yung mga drinks. Pero if you're a group, mas mura naman, which is 575 per pack. So we have over here the ticket. Thank you! Lumabas na kami sa Lubog Tourism Complex. We are going to the boats. Basta naglo-load. The fare is 850. Akala namin like 250 to 350 lang. Actually, my dad researched kanina morning and sabi niya 500 lang. I didn't know, now 850 na. And if your senior discount, 825 lang daw. 25%, 25 pesos less ang discount ng senior. So, here we are going to board. It is so hot. Yan yung entrance. Hi, kitty cat! Kuya, ilang minutes ang ride?
1 hour, ma'am.
1 hour. Pwede mag-drone? Saan?
Sabihin naman ka.
Doon na lang. This is the boarding area. Kuya, pwede ba mag-drone dyan?
Pwede, sa tingin ko, wala namang wala namang
Kaya na lang siguro pag puminto sa ma'am.
Yung experience ang binabayaran mo? just finished the Lobok River Cruise lunch. We're done with it and we are going to the Philippine Treasure Sanctuary. Tinanong namin sa kanila if they are open, kung nag-close sila, and sabi nila nag-close din daw sila dun sa higpit ng Manila kasi they are really dependent sa Manila people and tourism from Manila. So pag nag-close ang Manila, mag-close din sila, and pag nag-open yung Manila, mag-open din sila. So we're here in the Tarsier Conservation Area. My first choice was the Philippine Tarsier Sanctuary. Kaya lang they were closed, or you have to reserve 2 days in advance. We didn't know that. There was no notice sa Facebook or sa website nila. That was my first choice because talagang inaalagaan daw nila yung mga tarsier, and talagang mas marami tayong tarsier doon. But we have no choice, so we went to the Tarsier Conservation Area dito sa Bilar. And then, here's the rate. Ang regular is 100 pesos and senior citizen is 80 pesos. So bring your senior citizen because no ID is no discount. So we are now entering the sanctuary or the reservation area. So there are a few reminders na don't get too close to the tarsier, don't use flash in your camera, and don't touch them. It rained earlier, so the road is a bit wet. You have to hike a little bit.
Ay, buntot. Sobrang daga.
Kitang-kita talaga yung ice niya.
Malaki, pero hindi siya nakakakita sa araw.
So we saw 5 tarsier. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 lang pala. May mga names din sila. Currently kasi 50% lang sila nag-open because of the pandemic. Pero 100 daw yung tarsier nila dun sa breeding area nila, which is the next mountain. They don't want the sounds of the cars now. If you can hear, it's right beside the road. We are near the Bilar Man-made Forest, which is our next destination. So sabi nila nocturnal pa yung mga tarsier. So pag daylight daw, blurry yung eyesight nila. And then nighttime din nila pinapakain yung mga tarsier, which kinakain nila is crickets. Hindi sila kumakain ng patay, dapat daw buhay yung crickets. Thank you po.
Thank you.
So we're done with the Tarsier Conservation Area. We are going next to the Bilar Man-made Forest, take some pictures, and then to the Bamboo Bridge. And then later this night, we will go to the Firefly. This is a good place if the Philippine Tarsier Sanctuary is closed. This is still a good place to see the tarsier. Inaalagaan naman nila yung tarsier. I have seen a blog sa internet na sinasabi na they are not taking good care of the tarsier and mas maganda daw dun sa sanctuary. Pero I think they're taking good care. Pinapakain nga nila every night yung mga tarsier. Although nasa enclosed area yung mga tarsier, pero at least they're taking care of them. So we are here right now sa Bilar Man-made Forest. This was part of a project na against the deforestation of this forest, and it was a successful project. As you can see, naging tourist spot pa sila. It is like a kilometer long of these trees. Along this stretch of road, dito nagpapapicture yung mga turista. May mga, I think those are locals if I'm not mistaken. So, may nakita ko sa comments sa internet na dito ka daw makikipagpatintero sa mga sasakyan. So, ayan, ang ganda nila. This is one of the tourist spot or one of the stops ng mga tours if you go here sa Bohol. This is the Bilar Man-made Forest. So, next destination is the Bamboo Bridge. So, nandito kami sa Sikatan Twin Bridge or the Bamboo Bridge. Look at this one. It's so scary. Ang baba nito is Lubbock River. And it's a dual bridge. Yan. It's bamboo bridge and then underneath it is the Lubbock River.
Ako babalik na doon.
So guys, inabot kami ng ulan, pero we took some pictures. I saw this on Google. I don't know if it's a stop ng mga tours here in Bohol, pero it's a great way to take a picture of the Lubbock with as a backdrop. We are going back home, wait for the night, and then we'll do the firefly. I hope you are still here watching, and I'll see you there. We are going now sa firefly tour. We decided to take the tour na in-offer ng hotel because 50 pesos lang naman yung difference compared to the nakita ko sa internet. 750 per person. Medyo rainy. Sabi nila, hanapan daw talaga kami ng firefly na marami. So, malaki pala yung boat. Akala ko maliit.
Oh, laki ng bota. Ay, ang dalawa. Oo.
We decided na kami lang ni Papa ang mag-take ng tour because pagod na sila mama and medyo pricey yung tour. So,
Yun.
oh, they turned off the lights na.
Yun.
They turned off the lights na. Nasaan?
Yan, mga malalaking ilaw.
So, sabi nila, hanapan daw nila kami ng firefly. Actually ngayon, hindi na siya umuulan. Kanina kasi before 6 umuulan and the guards told us na konti lang daw ang firefly pag umuulan. The boatman told us na hanapan daw talaga kami.
Paano tawagin? Ganyan?
Ayun, Papa, tingnan mo dito. Oh, guys, you can't see it. But I found this tree.
Pandaga. Pandaga na.
Hindi. Pag marami, pag walang mahangin, may ang bulan.
Wala na, lumipad na. Parang baka-baka, oh.
Basa-basa ba?
Hmm.
Basaran din mo ba?
Ba't di siya gumagalaw pag may ilaw?
Natakot ba siya sa flashlight? Ha?
Ayun.
Umiilaw pag...
Hindi sila gumagalaw pag may ilaw. Ah, patay na ata. We just finished the firefly and I'm eating dinner here at the restaurant and I ordered a pepper sisig.